MTSCO is a one-stop industrial pipeline complex factory for your cost-effective needs. MT Pipe Fitting has a highly guaranteed supply chain. In 2010, MTSCO invested in MT Pipe Fitting and became the only international trade center of MT. MT Pipe Fitting is a factory with 20 years of production experience, covering an area of 7,000 square meters with a production capacity of 200 tons a month. MT is equipped with CNC lathes, automatic laser cutting machines, 1,000 tons hydraulic presses, elbow mandrel machines, and other major production and lab inspection equipments. Our products include elbow, T, reducer, cap, cross, stub end, etc. Materials include austenitic, duplex steel, nickel alloy, cobalt alloy, etc. Accept customized shaped fittings, prefabrication, etc. Why choose MT Pipe Fitting? First, we will ensure the thickness of the back of the elbow, do not cut corners. Second, we will never use 304 instead of 304L for pipe fittings made of 304L. Third, sandblasting surface treatment, pipe fitting surface is more beautiful. Fourth, ISO and PED and NORSOC M650 and CRN and TS certificated. We have 3 quality inspection processes to ensure the quality of the MT pipe fitting. First, raw materials come from large factories such as Baosteel, Tsingshan, TSCO. Each batch of raw materials requires MTC and PMI. Second, each process is supervised by process cards and professional quality inspectors. The whole process is photographed and recorded as traceable evidence. Third, the QC team will conduct routine appearance test, mechanical performance test, 100% X-ray, NDT test before shipment, and also accept third-party inspections. For packing, each fitting is individually wrapped in bubble wrap and sealed in plastic bags, with pipe ends protected by foam. All items are securely placed in wooden crates for shipping, reinforced with wooden bars during loading. MT Pipe Fittings have been involved in project construction in many countries and regions and established long-term and in-depth cooperative relationships, such as Petrobras P79 and P80 and P83 project in Brazil, Petronas project Sahara Rose in Malaysia, Intel building new factory project, etc. Services, advanced, focus, efficiency. MTSCO brings you safe assurance.